We'll be using Google's art and culture collections, and I wanted to give you a brief introduction. The online gallery collections are available just with your browser. This is actually the app which I downloaded. It's free, and as you may be able to tell, it contains some slightly ridiculous extra features. If you'll see what I mean. It's totally ridiculous, I know. So in a minute, I'm going to show you around so you're aware of some of the important features I'll be asking you to use. So let's take a little look around together, shall we? First, you should go explore if you haven't done so already. There are a million ways you can search, some of which are included right here, such as mediums, which may be especially helpful for my drawing class. You can reorganize your search by when it was created, or even the color you'd like. There are collections from all over the world. You can search here by map or alphabetically. But let's go back. Because one of the best features is that Google Street View has now moved inside the gallery. Woo! Well, in some cases anyway. Sometimes I guess it's just the gallery shop and gardens. There are a lot of different collections that offer this type of walkthrough, but just know that not all do. Anytime you see this little orange guy right here in the corner, you know you'll be able to virtually walk around inside that space. You could also scroll down to the bottom, see what's in that collection before you decide to pop into the museum. You get to see the architecture of the building, the colors of the walls, and the artworks curated for each room. I'm showing you this on an iPad, which allows me to use the touch screen to kind of move my way around. But you can also use your mouse to double click to where you want to go, or you have this very clever little navigation panel here on the right-hand side. To see the clearest image available, click on the title here on the left. It will give you further detailed information about the artwork, but it also allows you to zoom in as much as you'd like. You can also browse the other artworks that are located on that floor by scrolling through the bar at the bottom of the screen. I wanted to clarify that online exhibit seen here is different. What this actually means is that these pieces only exist together here in this online space. Some, like this one, are from artworks that are currently in collections around the world. Stories are a bit different. Some are made from related imagery, history, and information, creating these mini narratives. There are many more features I didn't even talk about, like augmented reality, which you may have been seeing below every painting, or this Explore Connections button that I found cruising through a gallery. My reaction to this button was a bit like this. Wait, what is this? Cool. Okay, at this point you can tell that I am just clicking buttons in pure excitement. I don't really know what I'm doing here, but that leads me to my next point. There's a lot being developed here, and it can seem like a lot, which is why I made this video. Don't get overwhelmed, and you'll get the hang of it. No, it doesn't replace seeing art and architecture and places in real life, but in the time of COVID, I am grateful that it exists.